Welcome to Review Rumble. The best 6-pin Molex is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable components in the world of PC building and custom modding, offering a robust and reliable power delivery solution for a wide array of peripherals and internal components that demand more than standard SATA power connectors. This connector, often overlooked but critically important, ensures that your high-performance graphics cards, additional hard drives, or even custom lighting setups receive the stable and sufficient power they need to operate at their peak potential. Its legacy in the PC hardware scene is a testament to its enduring utility and a trust builders place in it for powering demanding hardware, making it a staple for anyone looking to push the boundaries of their system's capabilities and aesthetics. Number 5. Automotive Electrical Connector Pins Kit. Tired of messy wires? Our kit features a thoughtfully designed storage box with separated compartments. This ensures each pin and plug stays in its place, preventing confusion even during transit. Experience enhanced electrical conductivity thanks to high-precision copper plating. These connectors offer a reliable and quick connection that won't come loose, making them ideal replacements. These waterproof connectors are incredibly versatile. They are perfect for a wide range of applications, including cars, motorcycles, trucks, and marine vehicles. With multiple sizes available, including 1.5, 1.8, 2.2, 2.3, 2.8, 3.5 mm, you'll find the perfect fit for any project. They are designed to meet all your diverse requirements. Crafted from high-quality brass for excellent conductivity and compatibility, and durable silicone rubber for heat resistance, elasticity, and waterproofing. These are built to last. This comprehensive kit includes 950 pieces of terminals, providing everything you need for your automotive electrical projects. Get organized and get connected with ease. What we like. This kit offers an extensive collection of terminals in a well-organized box. Its durable brass and silicone components ensure reliable conductivity and protection. If you're working on diverse automotive or marine projects and need a wide variety of connectors that stay organized, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The connector is well made and fits snugly. Easy to install and provides a secure connection. Good quality materials, feels durable. Number 4. Cable Matters 6-pin PCIe to Molex power cable. Don't have a PCIe power connector on your power supply? This adapter provides a simple solution to power your graphics card. It's an essential upgrade saver for older PSUs. Featuring dual Molex connectors, it ensures a stable power supply for your GPU. Connect to separate rails on your existing Molex chains for optimal performance. The male connectors and a female PCI connector with a latch provide a secure fit. This prevents accidental disconnections, keeping your system running smoothly. This adapter is compatible with a wide range of popular graphics cards. Power your GeForce or Radeon GPU with confidence, regardless of your PSU's connectors. If your video graphics card requires more power than your current PSU can provide, this is the perfect solution. It conveniently bridges the gap for enhanced performance. Simply connect the two Molex connectors from your power supply to this adapter. Then, connect the 6-pin PCIe end to your video card for an instant power upgrade. What we like. This adapter provides a crucial link for upgrading your system. It allows you to power modern graphics cards using older power supplies with Molex connectors. If you're looking to add a new GPU to a system with an insufficient PSU, this is your go-to solution for a stable connection. What people say. Great cable, I've lost the PCI Express cable that came with my Corsair 750, I'm dead sure it did, and many more cables. But since I had one Molex slot free, I just plugged this and from there to my new GTX card. So far it's working great. Works like a charm in getting a modern graphics card to work on a sleeper PC. Use this to supplement my lack of PCIe connectors on my cheap secondary $15 power supply. The max wattage you can pull through this is 132 watts per 4-pin, 11 amps on the 12-volt pins, which is plenty for most graphics card if you include the 75 watts that the PCIe slot itself provides. Now this product takes in two 4-pin Molex connectors, so if your power supply has two rails of 4-pin Molex connections you could theoretically supply 2x132W using this adapter. Number 3. Molex MLX 6-circuit wire connector. Introducing the Molex MLX wire connector, designed for reliable and secure electrical connections. Its latch lock feature ensures a firm grip, preventing accidental disconnections. This 6-circuit connector is engineered to accommodate wire gauges from 14 to 20 AWG. It offers a versatile solution for a wide range of automotive and industrial applications. Featuring a compact 2.13 mm diameter, it fits easily into tight spaces without compromising on performance. Trust in its robust design for consistent results. Experience the difference with the MLX series. Its integrated latch lock provides enhanced security and ease of use, simplifying your wiring tasks. Molex is known for its commitment to quality and innovation. This wire connector is no exception, offering durability and performance you can rely on. What we like. This offers a robust and secure connection for your wiring needs. Its 6-circuit design and latch lock ensure a reliable and safe setup. If you need a dependable connector for moderate power applications where a secure, positive lock is essential, this product will serve you well. What people say. The connector is easy to install and provides a secure connection. It fits perfectly into the existing slot and functions as expected. The build quality is solid, and the pins are well made. Number 2. Molex MiniFit Junior 6-circuit wire connector. Introducing the Molex MiniFit Junior wire connector. Its rugged construction ensures it's built to last, thanks to its durable plastic housing. This connector offers versatile connectivity with its 6-circuit design, making it suitable for accommodating multiple wires with ease. Installation is a breeze. It comes with 5 complete connectors, plus extra pins and sockets for your convenience. With a high current rating of 9 amps, it's the perfect solution for your power application needs. It operates effectively across a wide temperature range, functioning reliably in temperatures up to 257 F. What we like. This connector is built for performance and longevity in demanding applications. Its high current rating and rugged build make it suitable for power-intensive tasks. If you require a reliable and durable connector for higher amperage needs and appreciate a product designed to withstand tough conditions, consider this option. What people say. The 6-pin Molex connector is a reliable choice for powering various components. Its design allows for a secure connection, preventing accidental disconnections. The connector is compatible with a wide range of devices that require a 6-pin Molex input. Number 1. Molex MicroFit 3.0 Dual Row 6 Circuits Receptacle Plug. Discover the reliable connection solution you've been looking for. This series offers a robust design for your critical applications. Featuring a dual-row configuration with 6 circuits, it provides ample connectivity for your wiring needs. This ensures efficient and organized power distribution. This set includes both male and female receptacle plugs for a complete mating solution. They are designed for easy and secure assembly. Each unit comes complete with terminal sockets, simplifying the termination process. You get everything you need for a straightforward installation. Get a convenient pack of 3 complete sets, perfect for multiple projects or replacements. This ensures you have enough on hand for your requirements. Experience the durability and versatility of this connector system. It's engineered to perform in demanding environments, offering peace of mind. What we like. This connector provides a compact yet capable solution for your power needs. Its dual-row configuration allows for efficient use of space while maintaining a secure connection. If you're working with devices where space is limited but you still need a reliable multi-circuit connection, this compact connector is an excellent fit. What people say. I purchased a height-adjustable desk from Facebook Marketplace which was missing a cable connecting 2 motors. With a combination of Cat6 Ethernet cable and Molex MicroFit 3.0, now I can adjust the desk height. I was wiring up a 3D printer toolhead and needed small connectors I could have bought from somewhere like DigiKey or Mouser. But these were cheaper overall when you factor prime shipping. Also, I purchased a MicroFit kit from elsewhere but it didn't have 6-pin 2x3, so ended up grabbing these. They were genuine and same as the ones that came in my kit quality-wise. Needed to make my own RS485 cable for a Tesla Powerwall Nurio system. Helps that I had a Molex 3.0 crimper on hand. Perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.